Get most wanted, फिर ऊपर चलते हैं and then you can have a good time. Most wanted wait.
मैं उठा देता हूँ, don't worry.
ऊपर होगा.
Most wanted designation accepted. You're a target.
Are you kidding me? You must be kidding me.
Are you kidding me?
मैं बंदा.
मैंने उठाया, this guy was right in front of me. Why is it that every time I pick up a most wanted, there has to be a
Every
guy there?
time that you get up.
Shields down, बंदे की shields down, top chopper में.
Yeah. And I'm coming to him.
Can't fucking.
Bro, I can't climb up the hedge.
Yeah, आजा, downed one.
I cannot climb up.
Side से आ.
कहाँ से side?
Oh my god! Why is this guy here? Bro, जल्दी.
Bro, I cannot climb up.
Man, you piece of shit! You can't climb up a fucking rock! Are you telling me that?
Not possible.
You have fucking more than 10 wins and you can't climb a fucking rock!
Why?
Oh god! That guy killed me with a pistol! That guy killed me with a fucking pistol!
Dude,
What?
I told you I cannot climb. Can you not?
How did I climb up then, ma'am? How did I climb up?
Why?
How did I
Wait,
climb up?
I really hope you fucking come back from the gulag.
Oh, they have nothing, and I only died because I turned to try to help you. जैसे मैं turn किया, left side देखा, he was right.
They had nothing, Sage.
No armor plates, nothing, bro.
No armor plates. That guy was on 3 bars, had a fucking bison, and the other guy had a ram.
तो bro plate up करा होगा ना bro.
Bro, एक ही बंदा है.
Let me get close. Somebody is sniping at me.
Wait for it. Let him go. Let him live. Don't have plates. Shit. Heartbeat है? आ गया.
No! Down.
Bro, तेरे पास बंदा आ रहा है. Don't.
हाँ यही है. इसका no armor. Wait.
Close you down, come back to the gulag.
Fuck me! Bro, get me back. Please get me back. Tell now that we are here. इधर आ. Over here. हाँ ठीक है यहाँ पे. I was over here. यहाँ पे था. हाँ ठीक. इधर आ. How do you explain this shit? How do you explain this shit, man? Yes, देख बस. All it needed was a bit effort. That's it. Across the street होता है contract. He jumped.
Hit me, bitch.
You can't make this shit up.
क्या हो रहा है? Bro, Sage, come to me. Sage, come to me.
आया bro, आया. Oh, there's a team beneath you.
कोई बात नहीं.
साला बहन जो चिल्ला इतना रहा है. Oh fuck.
भाई क्या क्विक स्कोप मारा भाई मैंने. मजा आ गया.
जल्दी आ. सामने. Two guys, दोनों का armor down. Map, one man army, mate.
भाई मेरी गांड फट गई कि और बंदे आ रहे
वो
हैं.
बंदे
Oh,
आ रहे हैं.
bro, there's a guy over here.
Where?
Closing in. Be advised, UAV.
वो लोग हैं यहाँ पे.
We're not. No. कहाँ पे?
तेरी बिल्डिंग.
Ah, fuck off. क्या कर?
मेरा. How did it not?
Told you to play. Okay, I got a carbine.
Down. Team wipe.
Hey, I'm going down. Ah,
Team
fuck
wipe.
off, bitch.
How did you die?
Bro, I jumped on the exact same moment when he started firing.
इधर है, वो ही नहीं पता दिख रही मेरे को. I can't see any of.
Teammates done in. Return to base.
What happened?
Bro,
Now?
bitch!
Rest on your
You
shoulders.
fucking bitch!
What happened? He clap you? Did you get clapped?
स्नाइप स्कोप इन करके बैठा हुआ है, पता नहीं क्या सब
Now
ऊपर
this-
then अच्छा डाउन करके फिर
बस और क्या चाहिए?
disappeared from here.
Heading this way.
I see a team.
Target right here.
ठीक है,
कूद जा. अच्छा चल.
वो देख bro I'm getting hit. Fuck off Sahaj, you're such a dude, I'm not even fucking kidding Sahaj.
अबे यार सीट चेंज कर लेता. तू सीट चेंज कर लेता, दूसरे साइड बैठ जाता, कुछ तो करता.
Bro सीट चेंज है यार.
हाँ पे देख दे.
Target identified.
No!
I just don't know what you have against a fucking loadout. I
अबे
don't get
अरे
it.
रब्बा मुझे बोल देता.
भाई,
मैं
एक चीज कर लियो, अपना लोडाउट के सब कुछ डिफॉल्ट पे रख दियो, ठीक है? Stop getting guns, stop customizing it. Just play with default. Don't
ग्राउंड वेपन.
no, not even ground weapon. Just go to a loadout and get a default. भाई make loadouts, ठीक है? Don't put any attachment. Just put a gun. Don't even put a skin on it, so that it looks like a ground weapon only. और तू बस UAVs खरीदते रही हो. गलती से कभी लोडाउट ड्रॉप मत खरीद लेना. तो UAV अपनी गांड में घुसा के रख लियो, ठीक है? उसके बाद
UAVs are helpful dude. बंदे पता चल जाते हैं कहाँ पे.
you know what? This time we will not buy a loadout. Neither are we getting a loadout. We are just gonna buy fucking UAV, okay? No, I'm not kidding you, Sahaj. I'm gonna buy only UAV in this game. अरे लोगी. भाई I don't get. तू बंदे जान ले, तू पूरे मैं got sniped.
They got their loadout इतना जल्दी.
That's what normal people do.
Right to a redeploy.
I'm
You're
gonna be
never-
salty.
You're never gonna let this go, right?
Bhai, I don't know what is with you and love for UAVs, bhai. Basically what you're saying is, so let's compare the stats now, okay? Every guy, 90% of the guys will have a 60 round or 50 round mag, right?
Okay.
And will have their own personalized loadout which they are pretty much good at.
Okay.
And you will have a ground gun with 30 round mag, no attachment, nothing, okay? No perks, no stock, no nothing, just ground attachments. And you're saying that knowing that guy's position is better than having a loadout. So
Yeah.
that guy does not know you're coming. Okay, that guy does not know you're coming. But your footstep or your something will. So that guy does not know you're coming. But once you're over there, he has a better shot of killing you than you killing. But we are just gonna push just because we know where he is. ये भाई तू उमेश सर जैसी बातें करता है भाई जब भी.
अबे
Yes.
किसी का उमेश पे चला गया. हद है यार.
Let's get 4 UAVs now.